We'll guide you through how to fix auto-rotate not working on an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. It can be really annoying that when you go and rotate your screen, that it doesn't go and rotate. So we'll guide you through some different things you can try to do to fix this. First of all, we need to make sure that it's enabled. To do that, you need to drag down at the top to go and open the control center, and you can then drag down again. You want to go and locate the option auto-rotate. You may need to go and find it. So for example, mine's currently enabled. If it isn't, it may just go and say portrait with a padlock, tap on it, and that means it's enabled. Once it's enabled, go and see if when you go and open up the app, when you go and rotate it, if it actually goes and rotates. As you can see, mine does there. However, if you're finding it's not rotating the home screen, you can tap and hold, go to the bottom and press settings. And then what you can do is go and find the option for rotate to landscape mode. Make sure that's switched on. Then you can go and see if you can go and rotate the home screen like so. If that solves it, then great. If it still doesn't though, then what we can try doing is performing a restart. So what we can do is go and hold down on the side power button like so until we see this screen here. We can go and press restart and then restart again. Often doing this can just go and refresh things. So wait for it to come back on. When it starts again, go and see if you can then go and rotate. Hopefully you can. If you still can't, the next thing we're going to try doing is opening up the settings like so and going seeing if there's any available update, as that can go and fix the problem. Scroll down and go and find software update, and you can tap on it. And you can then press download and install at the top and go and do it. Hopefully the problem's now solved. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Have a good day.